kuingia kwenye jukwaa. Tusimame sote, tusimame sote. Tusimame sote kabisa, tayari kumkaribisha mgeni wetu. Karibu mgeni wetu katika sherehe zetu mahafali ya 28. Mgeni anapanda jukwani, Mheshimiwa Julius Migos Ogamba, ambaye kama ambavyo mnamjua ni waziri wa elimu. Karibu sana, karibu sana, karibu katika chuo cha walimu cha Tambach.
More importantly, I extend my gratitude to the board of members.
Walimu, tutatulia tukiwa tumesimama
In this institution, and I'm happy to note that you are only 4 months old and you are determined to change the institution and leave it better than you found it. I note with satisfaction the achievements of this college in co-curricular activities, which form an important component of the ministry has supported this institution with 2 smart classrooms, a PC lab, a modern studio, a DLP lab, and 41 laptops for teacher educators. These resources are critical in enhancing e-learning through lesson preparation and interactive delivery and e-assessment. I therefore urge the college to continue expanding the use of ICT in learning, training, assessments, and for administrative functions. Our graduates are now entrusted with the noble responsibility of shaping the future of our learners during your classroom practice. We call upon you to embrace your profession with passion and purpose. Always remember that a teacher is not just a conveyor of knowledge, but a mentor, a guide, and a role model to the learners. Finally, I commend the college leadership, the teacher educators, the non-teaching staff, and all partners who have contributed in preparation for this occasion. Let us continue working together to upgrade the standards of teacher education in Kenya and nurture teachers who are competent, compassionate, and reflective. Congratulations once again to the class of 2025, and I wish you a happy Madaraka Day on June 1st, 2025. God bless you, and asanteni. We are not only knowledgeable, but also skilled, reflective, and responsive to the dynamic needs of the 21st century. I wish to emphasize that the National Education Sector Strategic Plan, NEST, 2023-2026, also includes all further educators for the effective implementation of the PCE. Consequently, the Ministry realize this, the ministry has developed strategies, plans, and programs that $8.9 billion was meant to cover learners in the free-day junior school education. A further $11.6 billion and $11.4 billion was disbursed to cover learners enrolled under the free-day secondary education and the free-day junior school, special needs education, respectively. The Ministry of Education continues to put in place robust data management measures on learners' enrollment and needs to ensure that the disbursement of capitation and other learning materials is seamless. As a ministry, we are extremely impressed that the process of transitioning of learners from junior school to senior school next year is going on smoothly. Having successfully developed transition and placement guidelines together with all other stakeholders earlier this year, I'm happy to announce that the exercise of making senior school choices by our current grade 9 learners is going on without a hitch. I direct all junior school heads of institutions to activate their career masters to work with parents of grade 9 learners to ensure that they have the right information to guide candidates on making the correct choice.